What's up, Disc Golf fam? Welcome back to another video. We got Chris and Jason here who are going to be doing the Sprite Challenge. And whoever wins will get a disc provided by me. So, good luck, guys.
Go ahead.
Go. Let me know when it hurts.
No, it's just coming through the straw.
We got two different methods, regular and then the straw.
Goddamn.
Well, we already know who lost. And he didn't even make it halfway through the bottle. Let's see if Jason how much he can do. Maybe the straw is easier.
There we go.
Okay, well, we know who the winner is, so thank you so much for watching. Sorry if this is gross, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Have a good day.